2021 Range Rover Evoque wheel bearing replacement, front one on the driver's side. So, okay, you need to take the whole spindle out. So remove it from the strut, remove it from the ball joint and the outer tie rod. Make sure you disconnect all the sensor, remove all the sensor. You don't need to disconnect it. That level sensor, and then when you take everything off, you need to take the 36mm socket, take the nut off, and very gently hammer it back. In this case, we were not able to do that, so I just missed that opportunity to take a video for you. So we take the whole thing with the CV axle out and put it on the press machine to press that CV axle out. But regardless of that, when you have the axle out, we already put it back out there. You might need to end up doing that CV axle thing, but it depends. My case was the shaft was very rusty around it and it was just seized up. So I had to do it press, because if I hammer it, I'm gonna damage the thread in front of the CV axle. So basically, this is gonna be the spindle. You're gonna have to have the press machine. So you do the spindle, it goes like that. The wheel bearing goes like that. First of all, you need to put it upside down. Find the proper socket, which can fit right here, and put it there. Make sure you secure that, and use the press machine, 20-ton press machine, to press that wheel bearing out, that hub out. Most of the people replace the hub. I don't usually. I use a cutting wheel, grab the grinder, grind it from here, cut it from here very carefully. Make sure not to damage the hub. Then you can grab the chisel and hammer it out. So the rest of the bearing is in there. What you're gonna do, this is a snap ring. Take the snap ring out. When you have it out, again that side, you're gonna grab the bigger socket to fit here and just press the whole thing out. When you press the whole thing out, the wheel bearing has got two different faces. So do not install it backward. So there is some kind of magnet reading behind that with the brown one. It's supposed to go in right here, because the ABS sensor is gonna read that. And there is some kind of chrome piece cover. The chrome piece cover is supposed to be here, right there. So basically, this is the situation. Let me show you the brand new one. It's in my office, so you're gonna see what am I talking about. Let me see. Here, I got a brand new wheel bearing right here. This part supposed to be go in first, so which is gonna be faced to the ABS sensor. The ABS sensor is gonna read this part, and this part supposed to be face against the hub, goes that way. So this is the situation. When you press this one back in there, then you're gonna install the snap ring. When you install the snap ring, put that hub bearing like right that way and press it in. When you want to press it in, make sure you put something back in there to support this part, because if you don't support this part is gonna fall down and you're gonna have a problem. You're gonna damage the new wheel bearing. So again, that's a kind of like complicated procedure. You have to have the proper tool, proper press machine, and enough experience to do this kind of job. Again, 2020 Range Rover Evoque. We're gonna do the wheel bearing. The hub bearing was making sound, like kind of grounding sound. We did a diagnostic on it, and that hub bearing was bad. Again, thank you guys for watching. Shoot me a text message or comment down below if you have any question or concern. See you next time.